Hello everyone, this is Asim from Trade with Asim and Sajjad, and today I am here to give you daily technical analysis and daily targets of dollar index, Euro USD, GBP USD, USD Canadian dollar and gold. As usually, before I start, I request all those new joiners who have just joined in and are our regular viewers and have not subscribed yet to our channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, click on the bell icon so that you get all the daily updates that we post on our channel. Starting from the economic calendar, you can see on our website that we are looking into the economic events, that the news that may come up for the 2nd August. The most important and great news that would be coming from the Britain, and we don't really see a great moment with regarding to these news that will come, like construction PMI. The forecast is not really good. The BOE interest is really going to be going to be high. Which is a good sign. We might see a big hike during the news. There is some BOE speeches there, and that's all from the British pound from London. We don't really expect any other news, so we will start to move towards the dollar index. As you can see, the dollar index is at 94.62, and I can see that it will try to approach 95 points, and then I can see its decline. But though it might try to break above 95 points, as it was always trading between 95.5 points. So on daily basis, I'm looking at the charts, and technically I can see that it can start to go a little bit higher for Thursday, and the maximum that it can go, the target for me and on daily basis is 95 points for the dollar index. It could not, it tried to go below and try to approach 95 94, but it got bounced back from a really critical level, which was at 94.12, and it could not cross that level of 94.12, and it went back yesterday on 1st August, and today on and on 1st of August, it's currently trading at 94 points, but I'm speculating that it will try to approach 95 or above. Moving on to our Euro USD. Moving on to Euro USD, daily chart, as you can see, its pivot is at 1.171 and it's below the pivot. I would speculate that the next target, it will breach the support at 1.167 and will try to approach support 2, which is at 1.163. During the session, during the Asian session, which will be really slow, I don't expect that it will go that much down, but during the London and the US session, I expect it to reach and approach 1.163, and in extension, I'm speculating that it will try to approach support 3 at 1.160, but that high moment may not happen, but the most important would be that it will approach and will try to break the support level at 1.163. Depending on the dollar index, if it will try to achieve 95 points, I do expect to break 1.160 as well. GBP USD, we are having some news, and I will see a spike in this pair. Maybe it will, during the news, I am speculating that it will try to break break or try to go above 1.3200. Further on, it seems like a sideways market. It has been a sideways from last week, since the week has started. It did not went up nor down. It's in the same circle between 1.317 and 1.308. Currently it's below the pivot, so in normal condition I would speculate that it will go down, but we do expect a very big hike towards upward direction, or it might be in both direction, but most likely it's going to be in upward direction and will try to approach resistance 2 at 1.321. So be careful with GBP USD on Thursday, as it has been a sideways market, that it's not moving anywhere, but you can trade some good pips during the news hours. Moving on to the USD Canadian dollar, we saw a very big hype due to the oil inventories, as I say yesterday in my analysis, that it will try to break the support at 1.299, but if it break, it will reach 12950, which it did not happen, and it bounced back from this level from the level of 1.299. So it's kind of a continuous downward momentum for the Canadian dollar, and we can see that it's getting day by day stronger against the US dollar. So the next target for me is 1.294, and break below this one would be 1. We will just zoom. I can't really see that one. 1.289. But for Thursday, my speculation are that it will trade, the pair will trade between 1.303 to 1.294. That's the daily targets for the USD Canadian dollar. It will trade below the pivot as usual, as I have said yesterday, and today for the 2nd August it will trade below the pivot. Moving on to our last pair, which is gold. It has been a kind of sideways from last 2 days. It has entered a bearish momentum at the moment, and it might continue towards the support at 1214. Might break if the dollar get more strength, and will go towards 1206. So we are looking at 1206. Currently the market is a sideways market. We need to be careful, but my daily target for gold is a sell, and the target is 1206 for the daily target. It's below the pivot, and always, as I'm instructing you guys to follow the pivot. Once it's below the pivot, which is at 1221, do sell the pair, and you can take some great benefits. That's all, my viewers. Keep watching our channel, keep sharing the good work. Thank you.